Now, you also recently worked on the Unreal 5 engine sort of demo, the Matrix Awakens. Can you talk a little bit about that?
Yeah, well, you know, like those guys that Kim Library, who are from Epic Games, John Gator, he was also, they're all Matrix alumni, John being the guy who did Bullet Time originally, and so to have all those guys come back, we're about like, you know, having good working relationships with people, and to do that and take it to that level with friends all those years later was like a fantastic thing to do. They're really great guys.
Excellent. Well, James, thank you so much. We are really excited to see Resurrections and glad you're still doing your thing, and look forward to lots more from you.
Well, thanks. I'd like to thank all the fans too, right? They sort of really made these films possible, and to come back again and do it all these years later, it's amazing.
You've given us so much. Thank you.
Oh, you're so welcome.
Yeah.
All right.
All right. Now, I have it on good authority that somebody familiar just showed up outside, I believe. Oh.
Hi. Do you guys know who this is? Do you guys know?
I think I recognize him.
Excuse
He's in
me.
the Matrix, right?
Yeah, he's in the
Yeah,
Matrix. This is Keanu Reeves. How are you?
I'm well. How are you?
I have a couple questions for you. Okay, I gotta ask you. I think this is the first time anybody's ever asked you. Red pill or blue pill?
Tonight, let's go with a red pill.
Okay. What about any other night is a blue pill, right?
You never know.
You never know. Okay. Why do you think fans are so obsessed with the Matrix?
I can't really answer that question. I don't know. The films rock. Resurrections rocks. And, you know, I think, I mean, they're beautiful films, the action, the love story.
It's a love story.
And I think that the films offer people something that they can relate to in the sense of trying to understand the world around them.
Do you think we're in a Matrix right now, and why did you say yes?
Depends on what you mean, but do I think we're in a Matrix? No.
No?
This is the real world, baby. And why did I say yes? Because Lana Wachowski invited me.
I love that. Oh my God. I'm so excited that you're excited, that they're excited. Make sure to tell Max and Garrett that I was your favorite, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Back to you guys. Thank you so much.
I want to hang out with Keanu Reeves.
Yeah, me too.
Maybe he'll come by here and visit us in a little bit. That would be fun.
You think we're that cool, Max?
No, I do not.
I don't either.
No. They put us in back. They're all out front with the screaming fans.
Yeah, the screaming fans. They said get in the back.
No, this is really cool. You know, obviously we're gonna have a ton of stars coming through. Can we check out the red carpet out there? Do we have a view of what's going on? Maybe show it off. Yeah, look at that. There's Keanu hanging out
On the green carpet.
I feel like from that angle it sort of looks like AstroTurf.
That's incredible.
Yeah, which is nice. You know, it's cold and wintry out. You know, it's a good bit.
And I like some good AstroTurf. I
Yeah.
do.
No, why not? Yeah, but no, this is great. I'm very excited. I hope we get to chat with Keanu. I believe we will. We have some we have some fun questions for him, as well as the rest of the cast, and hopefully Lana Wachowski will come through, and we'll get to ask her some questions about what brought the Matrix back, what resurrected the Matrix, and what's in store next.
This world. I've wanted to be in this world for so long. Oh my goodness. Yeah. I wish I was in the Matrix.
Now, speaking of Keanu Reeves and Neo, well, I mean, obviously, it's a Matrix premiere. Why would we not be talking? Anyway, here's something about Neo. And we are back. Yeah, I mean, these things, we're live right now. We're like live. So it's a little bit unpredictable. We don't know. People are shuffling around.
I have accepted being part of a cringe compilation at some point. Like, just foot and mouth syndrome so hard that, like, I'm just like, well, it is what it is.
We can hope for the best. But in the meantime, we get to be those people who are just chatting on the red carpet.
Chatting on the red
green
carpet.
carpet.
Yeah.
But no, who are you excited to talk to?
So my entire life, Carrie-Anne Moss, like Trinity, because not only am I a huge fan of what she does on camera, but off camera as well. Like, she's very, cool and holistic in these earth, approaches, and I love her so much. So
no,
yeah.
I'm dying to chat with Yahya Abdul-Mateen II, who plays Morpheus.
Yeah.
Maybe the second. I don't know. It's kind of
yeah. It's a little. At this point, we're not sure.
There's some there's some sort of nebulous stuff going on, and of course, Jonathan Groff is here. Neil Patrick Harris, some very familiar faces, and
what a career, Jonathan Groff.
And we're hopefully going to be chatting with some of these people very soon. But in the meantime, you get to watch us kind of spin our wheels and just hang out.
Yeah, you could show if we get nervous or bored, you could show the